Hello darlings, welcome to my new short series, Product in the Spotlight. Today's product in the spotlight, Velvet Wig Grip Band. Should you get it? Does that answer your question? The pros, comfortability and adjustability. This is how it comes. All you need to do is, it's literally one size fits most. So it keeps the wig snug. I know y'all saw that earlier. I don't know what happened, but she didn't go nowhere. She didn't move. She wasn't evicted. She wasn't canceled. You know, she stayed right where she was, feet planted like cement. The difference between wearing it and not wearing it. So let's just take this right here. So this is the line where we want the wig to be. And this is it with the velvet. Wearing another one under this. See? So if you take this off and it just, look how it protects my edges. It's just all the way back. No harm, no foul. Look at how difficult of a time I'm having. Do you see? Do you see how it's moving? See how, like, I'm trying. Like, I'm even, okay, so this is where we want it to be. Look. I mean, the instructions are on the side right here, and it's very stretchy, so you can just slip it on. And the label says you're supposed to wear label facing right side of your head. At that line where I want it to be. And look, you move it up, doesn't slide down. So just like that, right where we want it. Really easy, really versatile, keeps the wig on your head. And it's a glueless application, and it's a quick application. Did you see how fast that was? There was no glue, no drying, no wait time, no applying, no fanning. You can, however, use it with glue. So I don't like wearing wig caps because I am tender-headed. I put this on, there's no tension, there's no headache. But with this, even if it gets too tight in the middle of the day, I can quickly go to the bathroom, slip off the wig, take the Velcro, adjust it, put it back on. This is very adjustable, very friendly for my tender-headed girls. It's also very durable. The first one I've had since 2018. Don't put the wig on raw. Do not raw dog that wig. Give it some protection, okay? Protection is key. What did Lil Wayne say? Safe wig is great wig. Better wear this wig grip before you get that text that I think I'm... Versatility. So as you can see, this wig is nothing special, nothing great. It's not a lace front, it's not a 360, but she can be worn with wigs that are lace fronts. See how this is more lace than that was? You can still wear a very realistic wig with edges on it, and you don't have to use the glue. It lays. And it still looks good. It still looks semi-natural. And like I said, you could wear with glue. I will wear this like a headband like it is now. Protect my edges. I'll put the glue right out here where I want them to be. And then glue this. And I'll still be fine. I can still get it to lay flat. But I don't have to go through that whole bald cap method or anything to keep the wig secure. Comes in different colors. blonde, light brown, dark brown chocolate / chocolate, and black. It looks like my scalp because it is brown, like my scalp would be. And last but not least, it's affordability. I've also seen it on Amazon for as low as $7. It's very affordable, very easy to get off Amazon. Now for the cons. So this, compared to the other options like wig glue or got2b glue, of course there are going to be obvious cons compared to those others. As a wig grip band, there are no cons. You can wash it, it's adjustable, one size fits most, it's versatile, it can be worn with wigs like before that don't have the necessary lace front, and you can wear it with wigs that have a lace front or a frontal, and again possibly a 360 because it is velvet all around. How nice is that? If you like today's product in the spotlight, you can get the products from Amazon. I will list the link for the 2 that I've got below. They are not affiliate or sponsor links, so I don't make any money. Have a darling day.